assembly theme is deforestation and desertification. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees and not planting them back. This could lead to animals moving out of their original habitat, and when they move out, it could cause some of them to die looking for another home. This leads to desertification. Desertification is when lands become useless, and when they are useless, this could cause soil erosion.
What? Trees in my own land? No, don't cut down those trees. Trees on my own land? Why shouldn't I do it?
Because that can cause deforestation and then it can lead to desertification.
What is deforestation? Desertification? I need to learn more about it.
Well, you will get to know more about it after the presentation.
Deforestation and desertification are ways we abuse our land. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees and not planting them back. Thank you. Desertification is turning the land into a desert, which means no water, no trees, and no animals.
This is the rainforest. We have tall trees, animals. Did you know that 20% of the air we breathe is from the Amazon? The Amazon is the largest rainforest in South America. The rainforest also determines how hot or how cold it is all over the world. Trees help absorb harmful carbon dioxide, which we release into the atmosphere. They provide oxygen, which we need to breathe. Thank you.
Are there any more rainforests? Of course, there are the Amazon in South America, the Congo in Central Africa, Southeast Asia, New Guinea, and Madagascar. Thank you.
Does desertification happen only in the rainforest?
No. When we cut and burn down trees and their roots are no longer in the soil, erosion sets in. From this presentation, we have seen how desertification renders people homeless. Thank you.
People cut down trees to make land for malls, buildings, and shopping centers, for commercial purposes, and for the manufacturing of paper and wood. How do we save our land? We can save our land if we keep planting trees, protect homes of animals, and learn to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Can someone tell me how we reduce, reuse, and recycle? Let's start with reduce.
We can reduce by decreasing the use of timber, papers, and products from wood.
Thank you. Now to reuse. We can reuse by using anything we use once, twice, or more.
Thank you. Now to recycle.
We can recycle by using different products that come from trees. For instance, when we use paper, some people just use the front part instead of using the back of the paper. Thank you.
Thank you, children. Now I would like to hand over the microphone to Anu. Thank you. I hope you have learned one or two things about deforestation and desertification.